Excuse my cat. Every time I turn on my filming lights, he climbs automatically up on this table to join me, so let's just let him be. Anyway, a few days ago, I made a review slash an unboxing video of my Noe Louisvitton bag. I love it so much. This bag is actually made to be worn as a shoulder bag and as a crossbody bag. I love carrying it as a shoulder bag. However, if I set the strap to be worn as a crossbody bag, it is too long for me. I've actually heard many people, not an issue, but they are commenting about the particular strap of this bag because there is no room for adjustments. And yeah, here's what it looks like as a shoulder bag, and I will show you how it looks like on me if I wear this as a crossbody bag. As you can see, it is super long. I really want to wear this as a crossbody bag. There are obviously ways to solve this problem. One, for my rich people out there, to spend $300 to $700 crazy $100 for a strap, or two, hack it my way. Of course, I am saving up for something else. I am going to resort to my second option. Hear me out. I am not saying you do this to your Noe bag. I am just showing you how I'm able to carry this as a crossbody bag even if I'm short. I don't want you to come at me and say I am ruining my bag. This is my bag. I will do anything I want with it. So if you are anxious to know how will I be able to do it, then here it is. First, I will adjust my strap according to my measurement. This hack will only work if you have a room to play with. What I mean is, if you only need to take few inches of your strap to carry it as a crossbody bag, it won't work. You will know why later. I already know my measurements, so what I'm doing here is just securing the strap. What I need for this hack is a paper clip. Yes, a paper clip. If you're wondering where I got this from, I got this from Target. You don't have to go to Target and buy this exact jar. As long as you have a gold paper clip, it needs to be gold so that it matches perfectly with the hardware of the bag. This jar happens to have many sizes for the paper clips, but I will only use the smallest one. The ideal tool for this hack is jewelry pliers. I do not have that. What I have here at home is this nail tool called cuticle nipper, so I am using this one. Before I show you how I do this hack, let me show you this mind-blowing picture. I didn't know that the paperclip has parts. I bet you don't too, so here it is. So basically what I'll do is, I will not move the inner parts of the paperclip. I won't touch the thunder straight, the marloops, the oval of Aquarius, what the F are those names, the abbot point, and the hemicular returner. What I'll do is I'll straighten up the Constello point, the bison straight, and the moon loop. After making those parts straight, I will bend it and make it smaller and mold it like the inner part. I will also secure the Constello point to avoid it poking my strap. So as you can see here, I'm pointing out that I'm not touching the inner portion of the paper clip. I'm just straightening out the Constello point, the bison straight, what else, the moon loop, and then trying to make the outer parts small, making the inner parts as my guide. And also here I am using my nail tool to actually bend or secure the Constello point so that it won't poke my strap. While doing this, I have to make sure that it stays flat, so when it's attached to my strap, it still has a grip. I only need 2 clips for my strap, but on this video, I'm making 4 so that I'll have, that extra clips in case the first 2 that I use loses its grip. Now that's done, I'm ready to put the clips in place. For the strap, since the clip has to be in front, I will make sure that the inner part of the clip is the one that's exposed. It looks prettier this way. Make sure to place it on the center of the strap so that both of the ends of this clip can aid in making sure that the paper clip stays in place. For the second clip, you don't really need to worry about this one because it is placed at the back. It obviously won't show, unlike the other one that we did earlier. I think I'm done. A little disclaimer before I go. I made this hack in accordance to my needs, okay? I only carry few items. When I was wearing this bag, I didn't really have a problem. However, this hack won't work for you if you are the type who carries heavy things. You need a more stronger clip for that. If you found a more stronger clip, then feel free to comment below and let me know. It also won't stay in place if you are on a rave party with your mad dance moves. Girl, a paper clip can only do so much. So there you go. I love carrying this clip around. It is temporary fix. It gives me the freedom of carrying my bag as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Sherry. I will see you on my next video.